What is up, guys? Shawn Trader Guy. I want to announce that tonight, the 3rd of January 2022 at 6 p.m. South African time, that is UTC +2, I'll be hosting a live stream in the Bybit South Africa Telegram channel. Subjects I'm going to be covering is TA on Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe a couple of alts, also how to do technical analysis and how I find my entries and exits. So have a look at the Bybit South Africa Telegram group. I'll leave this link in the description so you can join. And at 6 p.m. you'll be able to join the video chat and live stream right at the top of the page. Some of the things I'm going to be looking at is this rising wedge pattern that is formed on Bitcoin right from the 14th of December 2020 on the weekly time frame, how I'm looking to trade it, and also this down sloping channel that has developed recently on Bitcoin. Another thing I'll be looking at is this falling wedge pattern on Ethereum and how to trade it. This is generally a very, very bullish pattern, but we'll look at the ins and outs, supports, resistance, and where to find entries and exits. Hope to see you tonight, also Wednesday, the 5th of January 2022, on the same link. Like the video, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subbed, and I'll hopefully see you tonight and on Wednesday.